Well, it's late afternoon and the combine harvester's just turned up, so it means the guys here are going to be working really late tonight. They've got to get the entire field stripped and ready for the next season. Lots and lots of work to be done. It really is hard work. The combine harvester is just coming round now. I don't know whether you can see him. He's over there, and my father-in-law is over there waiting for him to turn up. At least they've got a combine harvester and they don't have to do it by hand this year. There's all the workers. The guy in the purple shirt is my father-in-law. I don't really know what my father-in-law thinks of this camera. Wake up! Look at the wife. All dressed up for the farm. Hello, honey. What's that? What's going on?
So this one for the next door for sticky light.
Ah, right. Okay. Got two types of rice here. One is, rice that you use for steaming, and the other one is for sticky rice, which is predominantly what they eat up here, sticky rice. Well, it works. Being a city boy, not something I saw every day, that's a fact. It is interesting, I find it interesting, just to see how different people live, different cultures. But I can assure you it's a really tough way of living, really tough. You've got to admire them. I've just asked my father-in-law about the cost of bringing in the combine harvester, and they charge 600 baht per 1 rai, and we've got 8 rai, so it's quite a bit of money in their books, that's a fact. There are some areas where the combine harvester can't get in, so Pai's having to harvest it by hand. This is only odd bits though, and it'll be used for the ducks. Little dog follows us around everywhere. Such a nice natured animal. Thấy chưa? Đấy. Yeah. Funny old girl, isn't you? Hey. Shadow. Shadow. There you go. That breaking work though if you had to do all this by hand. And there are some that do. Some of them just cannot afford the combine harvester. Try and position this just right so it doesn't spill the rice all over the place. And here comes the rice. Well, just about 2 rye we've cut there, and we've got a whole truck full of rice. And there's still some in the combine harvester, so they're going to start putting it in bags now. Dear. Father-in-law said it was good. Just lovely out here though. I know I keep saying it, but it is. Just a lovely place to be. Air is so clean, so fresh, and at night, oh wow. Because there's very little in the way of ground noise in terms of lighting, you get to see all the stars. You can actually see the Milky Way. I mean, it's just incredible. Now that they've started harvesting, I can get around this land a little bit easier, and you can see this area here where that fence is just there. That's where the pond is, and we want to dig out this entire area here and extend the pond all the way up to there, and then farm some more fish. I thought I had it bad. I thought I had to work hard, sitting at a desk on a computer all day long. This is nothing compared to what these people have to go through just to put food on the table, let alone, you know, buying things like clothing and stuff. I mean, in certain areas up here, the government assist the very poor with blankets for the winter, because it's so cold. A lot of them would die without it. Well, just before I sign off today and wish you guys a good night, just want to show you the sunset we have this evening. It's absolutely stunning. That's all for today, folks. Have a great evening. Bye for now.